Subscribe to Tech with AJT and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the eFusion wireless Bluetooth speaker. So let's move in. So friends, this is the box of the eFusion wireless Bluetooth speaker. This is a very portable Bluetooth speaker. So first check what's written on the box, so then we'll move inside the box. So as you can see on the top, some information about the speaker, like you can pick up calls, there is a microphone, a USB port, a FM, a SD card slot, aux, and this stereo sound. So let's remove the covering, like the package, like it has a plastic cover on it, so we'll just remove it with the help of this knife, the unboxing knife. So friends, I've removed the cover. Now let's move inside the box and let's see what are the things. So first you can see these are your accessories, like your aux port, your charging cable, and this is the speaker. So friends, now let me just clean all this stuff up and we'll look at the speaker directly. The speaker out of the box. So first we are going to talk about is the build quality and design of the speaker. So the build quality of the speaker is good. Like it's not the worst and it's not the best in its class, but it's good. Like there are some rough edges in the front, like these corners are quite sharp, but the whole shell is made out of great quality plastic. Like it's very soft touch plastic, and there is a rubber coating on it which feels quite good, and the design is quite simplistic. Like I know this color is quite flashy, but you can get it in different colors also, like black, green, blue, many other colors. So now we are going to talk about the buttons. The buttons are quite great, like they feel quite good, they have a proper feedback and they don't rattle in that shell. And the buttons, like you have a play pause button over in the center, you get a mode button, you get a, if you want to pick up calls, it has a microphone in the speaker, so you can pick up calls from this button. You can change tracks or increase and decrease the volume from this button, you as labeled over here. And at the back you get your on off button over here, SD card slot, your aux input, your charging port over here, and a USB input, and your speaker branding over here. So now we are going to talk about is the features of this speaker. Feature wise, you get a USB slot, you get a SD card slot, you get a 10-watt speaker, you get a microphone, built-in microphone. For the fact this speaker cost only 1200 rupees on Amazon, and this is the cheapest speaker I have ever unboxed on this channel. But being the most cheapest speaker, this speaker is giving lots and lots of features. Then you get a 1800 mAh of battery, which will go up to 6 hours of playback time. That's a great thing. So now we'll move to the sound test of the speaker. So friends, I've connected my Nexus 6P to the speaker. So the name of the song is Never Forget You by Zara Larsson. So the volume from my device is full, as you can see. So now I'm going to play the song.
I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to.
Full.
Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side till the day I die. 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 Day I 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 day I.
Friends, as you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion that it's a very loud speaker. Like for a 10-watt speaker, it sounds pretty loud, and there is a little bit of distortion. That it's a little bit of distortion which no one will notice, but it bothers me. But when I consider the price you're getting it, like the package, you get many types of connectivity options. Also, you get a 1800 mAh of battery, and this is a very compact speaker. Like you can carry it anywhere, and the build quality is very rough and tough. Like I think this is one of the best budget speakers ever I have unboxed. Like this is the most cheapest speaker also I have unboxed on this channel, but it's a great package. Like if you want to buy this great package, the links are in the description, check them out. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the eFusion wireless speaker. Thank you for watching, friends.